Hello everyone, I am Varsha Khandkar from IIM Nagpur. I'm a faculty here in the area of marketing and I've been teaching for 10 years now. Today I'm talking to you in the capacity of the CRO Program Director of Postgraduate Certificate Program in Digital Strategy and Marketing Analytics.
Hi, myself Dr. Yatish Joshi. I am an Assistant Professor of Marketing at Indian Institute of Management, Nagpur. I have over 10 years of experience in industry and educational institutes. I have earlier worked with HDFC Bank, NIT Allahabad, Film University. As a visiting also, I have taught at Forest School of Management and IFT Delhi.
In recent times, we have seen a shift in the way businesses work, in the way marketing as a function has evolved, predominantly due to the changes happening around us, the rapidly evolving domains of technology, data, and social media. In this context, we bring to you a certificate program, which helps you not only to navigate these situations, but also to excel in it. This is a program that runs for 9 months every Sunday, and we deliver it in device-to-device mode. As a part of this program, you will be learning and interacting with faculty of IIM Nagpur. Along with that, you will also be meeting and learning from experts in the industry. You will be going through and reading cases which are extremely insightful, and you will be running simulations which are one of the best. The program also includes a campus immersion module. It happens at the end of the program. So for 3 days, you will be on IIM Nagpur campus. This is a great opportunity for you to interact with the peers in your batch, interact with the faculty, network, learn, participate in hands-on workshops, and of course, live a campus life all over again. To be eligible to participate in this program, you must hold a graduation degree with a minimum of 50% of marks. Additionally, it requires a minimum of 3 years of work experience. However, it is to be noted that it doesn't mean that you have to be from a marketing background. Even if you are somebody who's not in a marketing domain but is interested in learning marketing, this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you.
So the program highlights or key takeaways from this particular program will be exploring the various digital marketing tools for lead generation, CRM, content marketing, and overall business development. Exploring various consumer insights and marketing analytical tools for understanding customers, understanding businesses, and how we can scale up the businesses. The course also includes immersive simulations for understanding real-world applications and real-world challenges that will be faced by the entrepreneurs as well as the managers within the organizations. In the digital marketing tools, we will be discussing about search engine optimization, search engine marketing, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, and other popular tools in the market.
These skills are likely to help people who are working with established companies, people who are in smaller companies, as well as people who have their own setup, those who are entrepreneurs. This year, we have framed and structured this entire certification across 4 modules. You will also be running a simulation, Markstrat, which happens to be the top choice of the best business schools across the world when they talk about learning how to formulate and implement marketing strategies. You will be acquiring skills to formulate and implement marketing strategies in a digital world. Of course, you will also gain lots of skills to gather and analyze data in a digital marketing context, and it will help you make informed decisions.
After completing this program from the IIM Nagpur, the participants can go for the roles related to analytics, strategy, and digital marketing. Some of the key roles may include digital marketing managers, marketing analytics managers, social media marketing managers, content writers, marketing research, as well as the people, those who are involved within an organization in crafting the digital strategy for any organization. Indian Institute of Management, Nagpur is one of the new generation IIM and one of the fastest growing IIM in the country. IIM Nagpur is a leading management institute that sets management systems, policy and governance through high quality education, training, research and industry involvement. Especially, IIM Nagpur has focused on building a huge executive education platforms where we come up with various cutting edge education programs which are in line with the industry trend and industry requirements, and that have helped various professionals across the different industries in scaling up their career.
Jaro Education will be with us starting from the onboarding of participants until the end of the program. This is for us the fourth iteration of the program along with Jaro, and we are looking forward to a wonderful experience.